Hello everyone, my name is Rima Trisna Ayudia and my student ID number is 010105X2327116. Today, I would like to read the text in passage 2. Complementary and alternative medicine, which includes a range of practices outside of conventional medicine such as herbs, homeopathy, massage therapy, yoga, and acupuncture, hold increasing appeal for Americans. In fact, according to one estimate, 42% of Americans have used alternative therapies. In all age groups, the use of unconventional health care practice has steadily increased in the last 30 years, and the trend is likely to continue. Although people born before 1945 are the less likely to turn to these therapies. Why have so many patients turned to alternative therapies? Many are frustrated by the time constraints of managed care and alienated by conventional medicines focus on technology. Others feel that a holistic approach to healthcare better reflects their beliefs and values. Others seek therapies that relieve symptoms associated with chronic diseases, symptoms that mainstream medicine cannot treat. Some alternative therapies have even crossed the line into mainstream medicine, as scientific investigation has confirmed their safety and efficacy. For example, physicians might currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management or to control the nausea associated with chemotherapy. Additionally, many U.S. medical schools teach courses in alternative therapies, and many health insurance companies offer some alternative medicine benefits.